greater than less than equals to with Zara. Hi, my name is Zara. Today I'm going to talk about my new friend, Ally the alligator. Hi, I'm Ally the alligator. I love to eat big numbers. No. Ally the alligator's mouth is always open to the biggest number. Here we have 3 and 20. Which number will Ally the alligator like to eat? 3 or 20? 20 because she likes to eat big numbers. 20 is greater than 3. 3 is less than 20. Come, let's count and see which number will Ally the alligator eat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4. I have 7 blue color coins and 4 red color coins. Which one will Ally the alligator eat? 7, because she likes to eat big numbers. No. 4 is less than 7. 7 is greater than 4. Now what do we have here? 3 and 3. Which one is greater? No, but they're both the same. 3 equals to 3. Because they are both same numbers. I hope you had fun learning with me. Until next time, bye! Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.